I would like to talk about Bangladesh cricket team. Cricket in Bangladesh has gained popularity in recent time. Bangladesh hit the support one day after winning the ICC trophy a few years ago. It is a big recognition for Bangladesh entered the global competition after a long and sustained development. We have finally reached the experimental state, the most glorious state in world cricket team. Bangladesh cricket team needs to be more organized. Batting line as well as bowling needs to be more foot the standard with our proper training and practice. I like Bangladesh cricket team as it's created all over the world. Bangladesh is advanced playing in cricket. The most glorious state. The popularity of state cricket has been just been after winning the ICC trophy in 1997. I like Bangladesh cricket very much. If I can observe strict ruler commitment in it. In fact, I can observation and optimism take Bangladesh cricket team thinking that it can own the World Cup in near future. That's all for the timing. Thank you very much. Truly speaking, brothers and sisters, this is very nice point to do. If you have any questions, so you can ask me freely. I will happy answer your question if I can. See you again. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends and family. Bye.